Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to turn on Instagram live notification. So if you want to get notified whenever someone who you are following goes live on Instagram, then this video is for you. Now if you want to do that guys, first step, head to your Instagram profile. Once you're right here, click on the three lines at the top right corner, go to settings. Now once you're right here in your settings, you'll find the notification feature. Click on that one, and here you're going to find this live and reads option. Click on that. Now once you click on that, here you find out that my live video notification is turned on. Now you can either turn it off or on from here. So you have to make it to be on by clicking on this radio button, just like this. So guys, this is how you can turn on Instagram live notification. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.